Depending on your product level, Elevate is automatically posting to your Facebook business page with our social media auto poster. Our poster occasionally gets interrupted, and when that happens, we will email you right away so that you can reinstall. The email provides a quick link to reactivate. Let's go through that process together. Within the email, click on the button that says Reactivate Automatic Posts. On the next screen, it will prompt you to log into Facebook. Click on the button that says Log In. If you're already logged in, it will also prompt you to select who do you want to continue as. Go ahead and select yourself, and then select the page that you want to use Elevate to resyndicate to. Select that page and then click the Next button. It will also prompt you to select the Elevate syndication app that you want it to do, which in this case is Manage Your Pages and Publish Pages as you manage. Make sure both prompts are selected as yes. Go ahead and click the Done button, click OK, and then the final step is to confirm which business page you want to install the app to. You'll see that link at the very top. Go ahead and click on that link. Once selected, it will bring you back to the Setup Social Pro syndication page, and you will see that it's been successfully installed.